the masjid is not only a center where the Muslim community gets together for salah 5 times a day. Of course, that is something which is very, very important. But the masjid should be the center. We should know that if there is a problem, if there is anything that we need to know about, then the masjid is there. That is the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Baytum min buyutillah. It is a house from amongst the houses of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You go there, you have got an open communication with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have the ability to talk to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have the opportunity to pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You also have the opportunity to talk to the scholars of deen and religion, to enhance our knowledge, to learn our spirituality, to do all of these things. And therefore I like to believe that the masjid should be the centermost point. And what a beautiful community there is in Qurtuba, what a beautiful masjid there is. And it has been designed such that it is in the center of the Muslim community over here. But wherever Muslims are around the world, when you choose your place of residence, look at the presence of a masjid, an alim, a scholar who is there, because these are the things that will help protect our iman, really, especially in a time or in a country where we live as minorities. We have to do a little extra to be able to protect our iman, and we should always be doing that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always allow this ummah, every member of this ummah has got potential. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow this ummah and every member of the ummah to realize his potential and to unleash the potential and to be connected with the masjid and the masajid of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.